Good morning. 2-57. Reassembly of the function mechanism. 1. Reassemble the function mechanism by reversing the steps and procedures outlined in A2 through 13 above.
By the fire's light, trying to figure out what's wrong and what's right. Sitting down by the fire, no pondering your deepest desire. You had to go out into this world to travel all around with that bluesy ragtime girl, watching the silver lining fade. You're one step closer every day to your grave.
There's a devil and an angel on your shoulder. It's true, they're always fighting.
Death is what you crave. A scrapbook of the memories is what you say. Is this life worth living? Lord, you ask yourself again. One more time in your dream. A sweet lullaby's always more than it seems. What motivates you is the reason you cry. You're addicted to your life. A shadow of the goat follows you around, migrating, listening to the sound. Trading longing for a slice of the pie, 'cause it gets you so high.
You'll pay ever so dearly with your soul, for the piper's call to collect his toll. You see the flame reflected in his eyes, 'cause that preacher man wasn't dead alive.
Oh, this is it for this incarnation, but you'll be resurrected in this karmic insurrection. Not the end of your road, for your paths they will cross again. fire, and I'm gonna let it burn. I'm a little wiser, but I can only learn. I don't know why, I don't know when. Maybe when I get back I'll tell you then, but I still don't know, and I don't want to pretend, so I'll just smile quietly instead. The world's running away, and I'm gonna let it run. We'll go our separate ways under the sun. Don't get me wrong, I bear no grudge. I'm just trying to wade my way out of the sludge. I've been up to my knees for I don't know how long. I just wanna get clean out on my own. The sky's on fire.
A very important note is that this little hook right in here goes into the little ridges of the little block here. So there's two ridges that are on this little block, and that lever goes in between the two ridges. I'm trying to get a good angle on this, but it's really quite difficult to see. But here's the action that you're looking for. You have this, which is right here, I think. There we have it. Okay, and there's our action. Okay. Sorry about the bad angles, but as good as it gets. Alright, here's our function group. Let me get some oil on it. Okay, I cleaned these oil felts using alcohol, and I really think I did a good job on these. I would put new felts, except for I don't have new felts. There are three places to oil. There's going to be here. You may as well do get crazy with it. The second place is right in here. May as well get crazy with that too. Oh, I'm sorry, there's four places. There's a few felts down in here. There's one over in here. Now this felt is pretty well worn out, but I'm sure it'll serve its function. I think it'll be okay. It's not a very strong action here. It just does this little clip. Okay. And let's look at a different angle on these three. There we are. Good. So I'm going to oil these, and oil, and oil, and oil. So I'm going to do quite a bit off camera.
Sometimes it feels like it already has.
Oh dear.
Say you're a cynical girl.
There we go.
Maybe that's why we get along so well.
Alright, there is the function group. Thanks for watching.
Under somebody's spell.
Good night.
We're so afraid to see what we want to see, that it's safer to shoot out the lights. Oh, let the beat of moon really care about how dark it gets. And if you think you're blind now, well, you ain't seen nothing yet. And so put your head upon my shoulder, 'cause we don't get smarter, girl, we just get older. And the bitter moon doesn't care how dark it gets. And so put your head upon my shoulder,